Hello, hello, hello. I'm Anna Simon. As you know, I am a spiritual teacher and a love coach and a spiritual coach, life coach, and intuitive counselor, as you know. I'm here to help you. Now, what do? I do many things: manifestation, soulmate readings, relationships, business, creating businesses, manifesting prosperity, a lot of things. I'm sure you could read about me, but I'm here to tell you a little tip about manifestation and how to kind of put yourself in the zone. What I do every morning is that I'm gracious and grateful, and I tell God, look, thank you for this blessed day, and thank you for yesterday, and thank you for everything you have given me in my life. My life is blessed, and I'm happy, and I'm here to serve humanity and help others. Please lead me, people to come to me that are wanting to help themselves and help others, and God usually does that. Now, for instance, if I'm doing a business, like I do, I have 3. So when I asked to my numbers, my quotas, is that I just say, thank you, God. I put the gracious out there. I said, God, and this is just a number of example. God, it's $1,200 a day, and that's the bottom line. I say it like that, $1,200 a day, and that's the bottom line. And it's like, oh, you're demanding. Not really. Not demanding. I'm assertive. I'm sure of it. God doesn't like wishy-washy. If you're going to do the wishy-washy, you're not going to manifest, because it's telling God, I'm not sure what I want. You have to be direct. It's like talking to a father. This is our father or mother. You're like our parent. They're going to give your kid what you want when they know what they want, but they don't. And then it's going to be plateau. It's going to be like stuck energy. So I challenge, and I would tell you guys to please listen closely. Please do this challenge. I want you to try this for a consecutive 2 weeks. 2 weeks, sorry. I'm like excited. 2 weeks of asking, God in the morning. You give grace and thank you to God. And then you just, if you're in business, you put a quota. If you want that promotion, you put that out to the universe. If you want anything, you can't manipulate love. Okay, never, never, never. You can say, hey, let us have a better communication, a positive thing, okay, of affirmation. Try it. And report down in the comments below. Let me know what your results are. You got to do it with true intention. You can't be wishy-washy like, I don't believe this. I'm not sure if this is going to work. You can't do that. You have to do it with true intentions. And watch. Give it a couple weeks. It could happen in a day. It could happen 2 to 3 weeks. It depends on your energy. But I do it daily and manifest. I do my mantras, my prayers, my meditation, consciously awake like this. And I help people every day. And God always, always prospers me. And God always takes care of me because I take care of you guys. I'm here to help you guys. And yes, my specialty is soulmates and love, because love is a blessed energy. And it's not always about relationship love, just love in general. But I'm good with finances, business, intuitive, teachings, all that stuff. I think you know about me. But this is a tip for today. Try it. Be gracious in the morning. Set your quota. Throw it to the universe. Make sure you're telling God directly that's your quota. And no wishy-washy. You can't be like, I'm not sure if it's going to work. This is the bottom line, and that's it. I believe it. I know it. I truly do. It's faith. And I'm letting it go to the universe. And watch what happens. Let me know. I want inbox or comments below. Try this for several weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, or as fast as if you're really like me, a manifester, and you're already in the vibration, the higher vibration. It can happen in days. Keep me posted. It usually happens fast when you throw it out there with true intentions. And let me know what happens. I'm Anna Simon. Have a blessed day.